Hi everybody, welcome to Rajtech India. This video is about National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons. This scheme was launched by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 12th September 2019. Under this scheme, every self-employed person who are running their own businesses can get a monthly pension of minimum 3,000 rupees after 60 years of their age. This scheme is going to benefit the self-employed persons, such as if anybody is working as shop owners, retail traders, rice mill owners, oil mill owners, workshop owners, or commission agents, brokers of real estate, or owners of small hotels or restaurants, and other businessmen and other vyaparis who are running their own businesses. But remember, to become eligible for this scheme, your annual turnover should be less than 1.5 crores. If your annual turnover is above 40 lakhs, then you need to provide GSTIN number. Now we will see what are the other eligibility criteria for this scheme. The first one is the person should not be a member of National Pension Scheme and Employee Provident Fund Scheme and also Employee State Insurance Scheme, that means ESIC scheme. And second one is the person should not be an income tax payer. If you are filing your IT returns, then you are not eligible for this scheme. And finally, the age of the person should be in between 18 to 40. If your age is above 40 years, then you are not eligible for this scheme. Under this scheme, you need to pay minimum monthly contribution. You can pay from 55 rupees to 200 rupees. The amount will depend on your age. You need to pay this amount up to 60 years of your age. After 60 years, you can get monthly pension under this scheme. On each month, the central government of India will also pay the same contribution amount of how much you are contributing in every month. For example, if you are contributing 100 rupees in each month, then Government of India will also pay another 100 rupees into your pension account. Now we will see how much amount you need to pay every month as a contribution for this scheme. Monthly contribution amount depends upon your age. For example, if your age is 18 years, then you can start it with 55 rupees. And for the 55 rupees, the government will also pay another 55 rupees and the total amount will become 110 rupees. And you need to pay this amount up to 60 years of your age. Similarly, if your age is 19 years, then you need to pay 58 and government will also pay another 58 and total amount will become 116. Like this, if your age is increasing, then automatically the contribution amount will also increase and the maximum contribution amount is 200 rupees. So if your age is 40 years, then you need to pay monthly contribution of 200 rupees and Government of India will also pay another 200 rupees and you need to pay this amount from 40 years to 60 years if your age is 40. So like this, if your age is increasing, then the amount of contribution will also increase. I will provide the link of this table in below video description. By clicking on that link, you can come to this website and you can check how much you need to pay the monthly contribution as per your age. Now we will see how to apply for this scheme. There are two ways to apply for this scheme. The first one is you can apply for this scheme online at mandan.in/vyapari website. I will provide the link of this website in below video description. From there you can come to this website. And the second option is by visiting any common service center near your home. By visiting common service center, it is called a CSC center, where you can register for this scheme in offline. In every common service center, there is a village level entrepreneur. In shortcut, is known as VLE. By contacting him, you can become a member of this scheme. And they will do the online process of registering in this scheme. And they will take all your details. And for both offline and online registration of this scheme, you need your Aadhaar card and your bank account number and IFSC code. These details are mandatory. And if your annual turnover is above 40 lakhs, then you need to provide your GSTIN number. Now we will see how to apply for this scheme in online. To apply for this scheme, come to this website and here you can find an option called click here to apply now. Now click on that. Here there are two options, self-enrollment. Here you can enroll for this scheme yourself. Otherwise, you can contact your CSC VLE, that means Common Service Center Village Level Entrepreneur. You can find their details just by searching in Google like Common Service Centers near me. If you search like that, then you can find the nearest common service centers of your area. Then you can visit that common service center and register for this scheme. Once you register in this scheme, every month the amount will auto debit from your bank account. If you want to enroll yourself, then come to this website and click on self enrollment, and here enter your mobile number and click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, then enter your email ID and enter the captcha. Now a one-time password will be sent to your mobile number. From next time onwards, you can click on this sign in option. Once you click on this sign in option, then again you need to click on self enrollment. Every time you want to log in this website, you need to click on this self enrollment and again enter your registered mobile number and click on proceed, and then again a OTP will be sent to your mobile number, and once you enter that OTP, then you will automatically log into this site. Now I am entering my mobile number and I am clicking on proceed. Now enter the captcha and click on generate OTP. See here, OTP has been sent to your mobile. Now I am entering that OTP. Now click on proceed. See, this is the dashboard of Mandan.in website. Here you can register for various schemes like Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandan Yojana scheme, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan Yojana scheme, and our scheme, National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons Yojana scheme. To register this scheme, come to enrollment and select the scheme as National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons. Once you click on that, you need to give all your details like your Aadhaar number, your name, mobile number, email ID, date of birth, state, and other address details, and your occupational details. And here you need to select the turnover. If your turnover is below 40 lakhs, then select it. Otherwise, select it as 40 lakhs to 1.5 crores. And here you can find another option whether you are a member of National Pension Scheme or ESIC or Employee Provident Fund Scheme. Here you need to tick on no. If you tick on yes, then you are not eligible for this scheme. And finally, you need to select whether you are already a member of Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan. If you are not, then tick it as no and accept this declaration and click on submit. Once you submit, then in next step you need to enter your bank account details. I am not doing that because at present I am not registering in this scheme. Once you enter your bank account details like your bank account number and IFSC code, and you need to pay your first contribution amount. Once you pay the first contribution amount, from next month onwards the amount will auto debit from your bank account. So if you pay it until you were 60 years of your age, then after 60 years you can get monthly pension. And if unfortunately if the person dies, then 50% of pension amount, that means monthly pension amount, will be given to the spouse. And there are no family members eligible to get monthly pension after death of the beneficiary. Only the spouse can get monthly pension, and that is only 50%. And if she or he wants to withdraw the amount, then they can withdraw that amount. The amount will be the contribution amount of the employee only. The government amount will not be paid to the nominees. These are the details about the National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons. If you have any doubts, then please ask your doubts in below comment section. And thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India.